Hope you are doing all the work properly, right? What was the last topic? You have any idea? We have been doing the correction of sentences. You know, error spotting or correction of sentences will always be a topic for competitive exams. Maybe the reason university has put this topic for you. And this topic is continued by another topic, what is called paragraph correction, that we are going to take now. So in the previous chapter, I had given you certain steps how to examine the parameter. All the steps that you keep in mind will be the parameter for finding the mistakes and errors in the sentences. So normally these all areas belong to the practical side. Probably the unit number 4 altogether, practical work that is given in the textbook that you refer. Recently, I hope you have bought a textbook from the store. Refer each chapter, then you will find what is to be done. Many exercises are given there that you keep. But you know what I should tell you? You should have a sincere approach in the field of language. No, language is the basis of, as I refer in all the classes, language is the basic platform to enjoy literature or enjoy your life. And you think about the beauty of English language. So systematically, what we study in the standard form of English may be different. Some areas where people study language or English as a second language. And that is what we are facing. We study English language as a second language. And we have sufficient problems in our hand. But I would recommend you approach sincerely, then you will find it very easy. This approach as being a student that you should develop yourselves. That is what I should tell you. So before reaching paragraph editing, we completed sentence by sentence correction, which all the steps that we follow. Meanwhile, some people say that they do not find a self-respect in the field of learning, or they do not find much confidence that they can pass through. See, that is a matter of very simple doubt. Don't think, I would say, don't think in a pessimistic way. We are there as students. Every day we will acquire knowledge. That's why we march towards. You know, I recently read one of the books I referred earlier. Not that book completed by reading. So I got a very memorable incident in this book written by Jack Welch, I referred earlier. He says, one Guruji or sannyasi was there in the forest, and basically he is blind and he is constantly on meditation, going on meditation. So normally he will close his eyes and by inner sight he would meditate. One day a man came in the forest. On the way, finding this sannyasi, he asked, "Oh, you old man, did you find anybody running on this way?" And this Guruji, sannyasi, without opening. I mean, even though opening eyes, he has no eyesight. But he said, no, I haven't seen or I haven't heard about. Okay, that man went. After some time, another man came. He asked, oh, you have heard about anybody running here or have seen anybody gone there? He said, no, I haven't seen or I haven't had. But followed by another man came after 1 hour. He came to sannyasi and asked, oh, my dear respected sannyasi or Guruji, did you hear anybody going here or did you see anybody going this way? And all of a sudden, with reverence, a lot of reverence, old sannyasi Guruji stood up and put in namaste and told, no, my dear king, I haven't seen. I haven't heard about, but two people now the same question asked me whether somebody has gone in this way, haven't seen or not. But the king, my dear king, I haven't seen. The king one day, the king asked him, how Guruji, you have no eyesight, then how do you see, how do you understand me as a king of this palace, king of this kingdom? How do you find? Then sannyasi saying, it's reported by Jack Welch. Sannyasi saying or saint saying, Guruji saying, I could understand by the way of your talk. The first man called me, you old man. Means what? I thought he is very arrogant. Maybe you are leader of the, captain of the troop, captain of the military. The second man came, he may be a common man, probably you are minister. He came and asked me, have you, addressing me you. But besides, after two, you came and addressed me, Guruji or my dear sannyasi or Guruji. By that way of addressing, I understood you are the king of this palace. You know what Jack Welch telling? Jack Welch reporting, the way of your addressing, the way of your talk will be the eligibility of having taken respect from others. So, students like your age nowadays lack this quality, how to address other people, whether the old people, whether the young people, but our addressing towards the people, you should have a reservance. Then you should have a type of respect to others. That is maybe the reason, give respect and take respect back. That may be the reason what Jack Welch tells. So, I would tell, besides your learning experiences, besides in addition to your learning knowledge like English language, grammar, philosophy, criticism, all these things, simultaneously you develop your character, the way that you present others. Somebody once talking over, somebody should tell you are a good boy, you are a good girl, because you are the products of Saint Joseph. So you should have certain qualities. That is what I want to give you in this class as a way of talk. Now slowly we go to paragraph editing. What paragraph editing now going? What is a paragraph? Study the paragraph. Paragraph means combination of certain sentences. So in the previous class I taught you how a sentence is suppose given, how you can find or locate mistakes. After finding these mistakes, how can you correct it or rectify it? And for rectification, for correction, you can follow these steps. It is not a time that you check every minute and every hour, spending too much time to go through these steps. It should be kept in your heart or in your mind. It should go in a fast way. Then everything will be correct. So, all these steps may be further again applied to the area of paragraph, because a paragraph is a combination of certain sentences. Say, for example, 5 to 6, 7 sentences that you studied in academic semester 2 in academics. That how you prepare a paragraph. How you prepare a paragraph? Paragraph should have a shape. Paragraph should have number of sentences. Basically, commonly people say by the way of principle, a paragraph should have 5 to 7 sentences. Alright, so once you write 5 to 7 sentences, the same principle that you follow to edit, how you will find mistakes. Whether the paragraph has all the sentences and these sentences are connected, and these sentences, whether do they have mistakes, in what levels, the same levels that you check. So generally, which all the steps that we follow, generally tense area, grammar area that you related. The textbook given paragraph editing. In the topic it is given paragraph editing. You needn't worry about editing. Editing is somewhat different. But here in the syllabus, paragraph editing is equal to paragraph correction. Not in the way of choreography, not in the way of what is called printers, finding the printer's devil. Alright, what is meant by printer's devil? That is a technical phrase. Printer's devil. Alright, we call printer's devil. That is a phrase. Printer's devil. Once you get a notice printed or wedding card printed from the printing press, you will get some certain difficult, certain mistakes. Those mistakes are called printer's devil. So, our duty here to find printer's devil, and if there are these devils referred to this area, you have to correct. Not by insertion, not by adding another word, not by doing this everything, but here editing generally stands for correction. So once you did the correction in sentences, the previous topic, slowly you come. When you get 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 7 sentences given in the shape of a paragraph, how do you find mistakes? Same area, we'll go to tense. I needn't explain tense, which are related to the tense time now. Sometime time reference will be given in the past, but tense will be given in the present. So all these we discussed earlier. Then again we go to concord. What is meant by concord? Previous chapter, concord related to the number system. Whether the sentence, whether the subject governed by the verb which is suitable to the concord. What is, again we'll take one example. Alright, example John, alright, eat an apple. This is a very simple example how to make you understand. Here eat, John is subject, eat verb, an apple object. Here eat is not suitable to John. I take very simple sentences because my mission is to make you understand things first. Then you understand things, you understand properly, then go to big topics which are given in the textbook. Many number of exercises given in the textbook. Do yourself. By the way of the principle that you understand things properly. So what is the step here? Concord. Concord is the step that whether verb agrees with the subject, all other words in ordinance in order whether they agree. That is called agreement. That is called concord. Whether in number, whether in gender, whether in case. I needn't explain because already taken in the previous chapter. Same area. So here it is given plural, John is singular. Normally we write here V2. What is called V2? V2 form is it plus yes, because this is John third person singular in pronominal system. So this is a simple example to show you what is meant by concord. Concord means three different phases. One is number, one is gender, one is case, whether they are in agreement. Whether they are in agreement, suitable from S to V, V to O, in number, in gender, in case. That may be one of the stages, one of the parameters. If such parameters applicable to sentences, same things applicable to the paragraph. Same thing, same no other way. Alright, so by this parameter you check all the sentences. How many sentences are there? Probably 7. 7 times that you check whether. So after doing 1 or 2, 3 practices, things will be very easy for you. I will show you how to find out. Then again preposition may go wrong in the sentences. Semantic meaning may be go wrong in sentences. Then MPT order, I need not explain once again what is MPT order. Manner followed by place, followed by time, that we already studied in the previous chapter where sentence correction meant. Because I need not explain, because the same area coming here. Then again vocabulary, different types of words suitable or not. Then spellings, then punctuation, everything. So generally we have 7 steps in our mind that you study. Once after getting a paragraph, you go, what is in technology that you studied, you make a skimming, or after skimming then you go to scanning. What is scanning? Scan each sentences. Then on the first step you underline, probably this is the area that I am going to correct. Underline. After skimming, you make a scanning. What is scanning? Closely watch. Then underline probable area of mistakes. Probable area of mistakes. So keep in the notebook. So once you get a paragraph, first step you keep all these 7 steps in your mind. Then go to read first. After reading, what is meant by fast reading? Called skimming. You make a skimming. What is called fast reading. After fast reading, you try to make a scanning. What is scanning? Underline probable expected area of mistakes that you feel. You underline. So once you get a small paragraph, you will take one example. You take a paragraph, underline probable area that you feel may be wrong. That is called scanning and finding the mistakes. Then you try to go through these steps. If you are not in a position to correct yourself, step by step you check whether it is correct or not. Then you try to apply the sentence will be correct. All the sentences will be correct means paragraph will be correct. Then after correction you rewrite it, and rewritten area you just underline. Problem finish. According to the question pattern, you will be supplied a small paragraph. Probably 7 to 8 mistakes will be there. All these 7 to 8 mistakes are expected to be coming from this area. So underline this area, apply which area most directly connected to, then make it correct. Paragraph will be over. Then you try to rewrite beautifully, you will get 10 marks. So this is a area which is very interesting. That is why we taught you step by step. Each sentence correction, same methodology can be applied to the paragraph editing or paragraph correction. All right. So 8 to 10 mistakes will be there that you keep. So again I elucidate what I mean for paragraph writing. First point, we will write first point. It will be a paragraph. All right. It will be a first point. It will be a paragraph. All right. What is a paragraph? Combination of sentences. How many sentences may be expected there? All to 7 to 10 sentences. Generally in a paragraph, 7 sentences will be written. Means in the each sentence maybe 1 or 2 mistakes will be there. But according to the question pattern given in the textbook backside, you refer textbook backside. All right, 7 steps are given there. All right, these 7 steps you find mistakes, and the steps that we taught in the class may be referred there, then you rectify. All right, after reading, what is a paragraph? Paragraph is combination of sentences, different sentences kept in order. It looks like a paragraph. Then you try to do skimming. All right, what is called skimming? Skimming means fast reading. You read this paragraph in a fast way. Then third step you do what? Scanning. What is called scanning? Each sentence you go to make a scan. You know what is scanning? Closely watch, closely attend, closely examine, then underline. All right, probable after scanning, underline, probable area, probable mistakes that you expect this area somewhat mistake, you underline. After underlining, fifth step, you go to check these parameters. Check these parameters. If you are sure one of them is there, you correct it. Otherwise, in the sentence where you marked probable mistake, again you look, then try to make a journey on this way from this first step to last step. Definitely you will get the correct answer. Underline it, do it in the answer paper, then again cut, then rewrite the paragraph. As such, again you underline the area where you made mistakes. You corrected mistakes. Then paragraph will be over. You will get very good marks. The same area. Okay, let me give you one paragraph and how we can find mistakes, how we can do it. Are you happy now? The method that you apply. All right, we will try to make one paragraph here, simple paragraph, that everybody you try to copy down. Okay, I will give you a small paragraph having almost 5 to 6 sentences. You copy down. I'll start. All right, one paragraph. Okay, all right, she called. All right, one another. All right, Rani have a cat. One example. Cat. All right, she, all right, called him a kitty. All right, she called him a kitty. All right, she called him a kitty. All right, she, all right, has worried. She has worried. Full stop. Her kitty. Copy down this. It is very difficult to dictate everything. Kitty have, look here, sick. I make a small paragraph myself to make you correct. You have to find what all the steps I taught you. After these steps, you go through the parameter. Then you find mistakes. Have sick. She called. After sick, she called. All right, she called an doctor. She called an doctor. All right. He came in. He came in a bag. Look here. He came in a bag. Probably sentences will be totally wrong in the view of semantics that you have to make correct. Full stop. He tells, all right, Rani. He tells Rani, all right, your kitty is sick. Your kitty is sick. All right. May her rest. May her rest. Okay, did you copy down? We'll see till this. How many sentences are given first after reading? One or two sentences more. Since no space to write, we'll give you later. Now you take it as a paragraph, whether having how many sentences. All right, underline the finite verb, you will get the number of sentences. Here, one example. Okay, one sentence over. Then second sentence here, you have over. Then third sentence here. All right, here 4. Okay, 5. 6. Okay, 7. Then 8. All right. No, this can be considered 1. All right. All right, this one. So altogether we have 7 sentences given in this paragraph. More than one sentences appear in a group. They may be given a paragraph. They may be called a paragraph. So we can consider it as a paragraph. After first skimming, you read once. After skimming, you try to do a scanning work. What all scanning work? After reading, again closely reading. Probable mistake you underline. This may be a probable mistake. Are you sure? Sometime after reading, after studying language this much, you will have a tendency where you find some mistakes. So these are called probable mistakes. Then you underline. Then here, all right, you underline. Probably you will underline. I underlined here. You may be underlining here. Then, all right, here, underline. Probable mistake coming. All right, here you underline another mistake coming. Then another mistake coming. All right, came in a preposition in coming. He tells Rani, your kitty is sick. May. Look here. Underlined areas are cancerous. How you will cancel this cancer? By chemotherapy. Then you do your chemotherapy. You do your postmortem work. Then you will understand. All right, first all these related to the past tenses. Then normally this will be changed into had. All right. Rani had Rani had a cat, because 90% in the past tense, 90% the past tense it comes. All right. Rani had, she called him. This him, generally we call all the animals related to, normally we tell all the animals related to female. So generally we called cat pussy cat. She called her a kitty. Her as a kitty. Then here after naming kitty, she has worried. Here this has auxiliary to be replaced to was. Then she was worried. not has worried. Then look here, her kitty have sick. This have also to be changed into was, because everything maintained in past tense. So here we to change have this present to change into was. Kitty was sick. Are you okay? You understand? Follow me. This is the method. This is the step of scanning, then correction. If anything that you feel much difficulty, again go to the step. Then find whether the things are as per the parameter given here. So here Kitty was sick. She called an doctor. Look here, determiner wrong. Determiner coming here. MPT semi preposition determiner coming. One of the stamps here given, determiner, article section coming in the parameter, that wrong. Article that you have to change. This an is not suitable to doctor. Here you should write a. So she called a doctor. Am I right? A doctor. He came in a bag. Preposition went wrong. Here preposition went wrong. In. Here in should be replaced by with. Doctor came with a bag. Not a doctor was sitting inside the bag. He kept a bag with him. So he came with a bag. He tells Rani, all right, your kitty is sick. Your kitty is sick. He tells Rani, your kitty is sick. So there he tells Rani, that is the present, tells there, all right, he tells there, instead of putting, directly telling, tells. Either tells Rani, because maintaining in the all past method, either you change into told or said. You put said. Said may be correct. Told also may be correct. But you maintain the correct concord of the each sentence is interconnected to the same paragraph. That is must. So told Rani, your kitty is sick. Then okay, your kitty is sick. Then put comma. Then may her rest. We don't normally say may. We say let her rest. Let her rest. The doctor took in pill. You can also copy down. The doctor took in pill. All right. Besides, told Rani. You copy down. Besides, told Rani to give it on her. To give it on her. I repeat. Copy down. The doctor took in a pill. The doctor took in a pill. Besides, told Rani to give it on her. Again I repeat. Took in can be not suitable. So in as a preposition to be replaced by out. So answer will be the doctor took out a pill. Instead of besides, beside to be cancelled. Besides means in addition to. But we have to connect by coordination conjunction that you put and. Instead of besides, you write and. Told Rani to give it on her, not suitable. On her, not suitable. We write to her. Or we gave it to her, to your kitty. Then things will be open. Then you just count how many mistakes you have corrected. Then after correction, you take the whole paragraph, rewrite once again. Then underline beautifully with pencil. This area I corrected. So many, as many 7 to 8 corrections will be there. You will get to full marks. So what did I teach you now? How you can correct a sentence. How after getting so many sentences in a paragraph, what all the steps you have to keep in mind. All these things you have to write in the proper way. I will give you one more paragraph as a small exercise and we will do it in the correct way. Okay, I will try to write on the board. Second topic for correction. Either you do it yourself and the same passages for correction given in the textbook. Here plenty exercise given, almost 7 to 8 passages, 9 passages given. Find this method, do your correction. Then you make yourself practice. You write, will write one more sentence. I will dictate, you can copy down. Copy down, am I to write? All right, the bodies, Shani's. All right, farm. All right, Shani's. Yeah, copy down, farm. All right, farm, home. All right, Shani is a girl. Her farm home is like. All right, like an huge palace. Look here. This is one of the primary prerequisite sentence of a paragraph. I am going to give you so many sentences in a paragraph. You have to do the work as you have done in the previous one. It has been made on, all right, a English style. Second sentence over. After writing the way that you write, you will be finding some mistakes that you can underline. That is generally commonly coming. But if you do not get a particular mistake, then we have to make a journey through the steps. All right, being made on an English style. The rooms, all right, have large, rooms have large and ceiling. All right, spelling also you have to check. Ceiling is high. All right, ceiling is high. The building, all right, is circle. Building is circle in shape. And I will rub the first area, again will copy down. All right, circle in shape, and it is built in, it is built in tiles. All right, tiles. You build in tiles. It has a huge garden. All right, it has a huge garden on all side. Look here. So this is a small paragraph. What all these things that is Shani as a girl, she has a home and looks like a palace, and it is built in English style, very big rooms, ceiling very high, building in circle. All these ideas are there in a paragraph, different sentences. Then you count how many sentences are there. You will get to 6 to 7 sentences. After reading, you have to do? Scanning. You do the scan work, then underline the possible or probable mistake area, then you underline. After that, then you think over, then go to the steps. If feel difficulty, then you try to rewrite. This is the method of paragraph correction. Okay, by the time being, I will give you the correct answer by checking. First one you underline. Shani's farm home. Underline home. You know, home is not really correct there. HOM is home. You know, home is where parents and children living together. It is not written home there. So, it is called Shanu's. Shani's home can be replaced by home to house. First one. So, underline house. Underline home, then replace it with a house. In the same way, when you come to the subject position, Shanu is a name of a person. So, definite article not normally we use there in front of a noun, name of a person. So, da can be deleted. So, da is one mistake, home is another mistake, and it's like a huge palace. It is written a huge palace. Place, not a place, palace. Then it has being made. That is wrong. Underline being to be replaced by been. It has been made. On to be replaced in. English, not a English style. The rooms have large. Underline have to be replaced by are large. Rooms, because rooms are plural, then are large, and the ceiling is high. Next one, the building is circle, not a circle. That circle is noun form. We should make it a modifier. We should make it adjective. Then it will be circular. The building is circular in shape, not a circle in shape. Circular in shape. And it is build. Build is V1. Once we write passive construction, we use V5. Built. B-U-I-L-T. Built. In red tiles. Of red tiles. In to be replaced by of. It has a huge, not an, a huge, not garden, garden, spelling coming. G-O-A-R-D given there. G-A-R-D-N to be given. So, it is given garden on all sides, not side. All A-double-L followed by plural sides. So, count how many mistakes you have come across. Such mistakes, first you, after scanning, underline it, then underline possible mistakes, then try to correct, even though not getting in the proper way, then you try to go through the steps, you will find it. So, this area is called paragraph editing, and in the textbook it is given. You can copy down page number 174 to 177. Plenty examples given, that you try to work hard or do the work in the proper ways. Assignment, go through these steps, work yourself. Difficult area, you send me, we will find. We will with another topic coming next class. Thank you.